I'm right now volunteering at a climbing hostel. It's a very beautiful scenery here, and yeah, this is my first day. I came a couple of hours ago. I fixed a bit in their garden for two and a half hours, and now I'm off. This is what I'm doing now. I'm gonna be here for 1 week and then I will go back to Granada City, and I'm gonna help them with their place here. So they are renovating a lot in this place and they need a helping hand. So we're 3 volunteer people who's gonna help them get this place in a bit of order. It's beautiful. I'm very grateful and happy that I can do volunteer work in different places, and it's cool to test out a bit because I'm not really used to do volunteer work, so that's why I am trying to do it 1 week at a time, which is not too stressful and not too fast. Maybe 2 weeks is a better, more calm energy, but I'm trying things out to find the balance. And personally, I am letting go of old beliefs, I'm letting go of old patterns, and I'm also letting go of ancestral trauma and ancestral patterns that I'm not in alignment with anymore. And it's beautiful that I'm letting go of these things that is not part of my vibration, and it takes a bit of time to dig up the roots that already has been planted in my mind and in my heart and in my body and my soul, and to grow new plants. So first I need to remove the old roots before I can plant new seeds, right? So I've been trying to plant new seeds at the same time I've already had a full garden, and that's not really possible. So that's what I'm doing in my personal life. And yeah, I'm gonna take you with me, obviously, because you are a part of my life now. You're a part of my life, YouTube. How does it feel to be a part of my life?
Hello, Joey. Hello, Joey. Cutie.
This is where we're fixing everything. It looks a bit like a construction site right now, but hello. So this is their personal house, and this is what needs to be fixed. So I'm right now here when they're fixing their own personal house. So they're putting a new roof, and this is gonna be the kitchen if I'm not mistaken. This is gonna be like a workspace or a living room. Or this is the living room. This is gonna be a bathroom. I'm not sure what this is gonna be. Maybe their bedroom? I'm not sure, I don't remember. This is their out place. So this is a climbing hostel. They own the mountain, you know, which is weird in my opinion. How can you own nature? But it's theirs. So they climb. I can't go here now. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. I'll show you the rest of the house also. This is the bathroom, 2 showers. This is where I sleep, and this is where my friend sleeps. This is a beautiful view. It's the living room. Working place. A dog. Sleeping. This is the kitchen. That's it. They also have campers sometimes, so people come and camp here. Right now it's their laundry place. Such a beautiful place. If you are interested in climbing, or if you just want to try out climbing for the first time ever, come to this place. You can find the link in the box. Yeah, that looks crazy. They're gonna make a fireplace here. Really good idea, to be honest. Can you imagine people sitting around the fire, talking about ghost stories and eating marshmallows? But right now it's not really there yet. But it's a really good idea. I would like to fix it, but I'm not sure if I'm the person to do it. But it would be fun. So my tasks here at the climbing hostel has been cleaning a wall, or well, cleaning a mountain, I would say, to get away all the dust. And I've also been weeping away weed, taking away weed from their garden. 11:30.
What?
11:30.
Okay.
We're cleaning the wall here. We're cleaning the mountain.
Completely normal.
Yeah, exactly. Right now we are 5 people living at this place. There is one guy and a woman. They are the owners, and I think they're a couple. The woman is from Germany and the guy is from Venezuela. And then there's me and 2 other volunteers. One of the volunteer person is from France and the other is from Czech Republic. And I'm from Sweden. Yeah, it's nice. I'm excited to work a bit more in this garden, actually, because I really love working with plants. Whether it's removing roots and just make it beautiful, or planting, yeah, just take care of plants. Construction work isn't really my favorite hobby, but it's nice to be able to do a bit both. Today we've been cleaning the wall, or the mountain. We've been cleaning a rock today. Who cleans a rock, right? It was a lot of dust. Right now I'm having my break. Feels nice. I've been working for 3.5 hours. And I'm gonna have a lunch break. Take a walk to the city, or the village that is close by, and see what they have here. As you can see, there is a lot to do here, but it's a progress. And it's kind of cool to see also how it's developing. Everything that all of the volunteer people are doing here, and it's cool to be a part of something like this. It's cool to be a part of a project where people are building and following their dreams, to be honest. Yeah, it feels nice to be a part of something like this. It's also funny to meet other volunteer workers, to meet other people from different cultures and different ages. And, you know, wherever we go, we make new friends, and that's beautiful. So if you're interested in climbing, or if you just want to try out climbing, and you're in Spain, this is in Granada, then I really suggest you to come to this place. You will find their Instagram and their Facebook and also their website in the box below.